All right, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Let's Health with Ange, and I want to talk to you guys about some low carb, keto friendly sweeteners, right? So, these two are my go to. I use them for anything that I want to enhance the taste with sweetness. That's going to be stevia and monk fruit. Okay, now this happens to be the packets, but they also come in liquid form. Okay, so you can just kind of do a couple drips in there. Each drip is equivalent to about one of the packet. Total carbs of less than 1 gram. Less than 1 gram. All right, boom, right there. Stevia is also less than 1 gram. So they're very easy to locate. You're gonna find them at all of your major type of stores, like your Walmarts, your Publix, your Targets, your grocery stores. Of course, you're gonna find them at your health food, whole food type stores. I can sweeten my coffee with them. I can sweeten tea with them. If I'm doing like a dessert, a keto or a low carb friendly dessert, I could drop that in there. I also make lemonade with the stevia or the monk fruit. And basically all I do is take water, fresh lemon, and 1 or 2 drops at the most of stevia or monk fruit, and now I got lemonade. I hope this helps. Peace.